In the face of a global apocalypse, survival is key and self-defense paramount. Here's a quick guide to essential self-defense techniques. Firstly, awareness is your best weapon. Stay alert to your surroundings, potential threats, and escape routes. Secondly, prioritize evasion over direct conflict. The aim is survival, not heroism. If it's possible to run, run. Thirdly, if confrontation is unavoidable, aim for vulnerable body parts. The eyes, throat, and groin are prime targets. Use swift, powerful strikes that can incapacitate your attacker. Fourthly, improvise weapons from your environment. A sturdy branch, a rock, even a pen can be a valuable tool in a dire situation. Lastly, keep your morale high. Survival is as much a mental game as a physical one. Stay calm, stay focused, and stay alive. Remember, self-defense is about survival, not combat. Evasion is always the best option, but if you must fight, fight smart. Stay aware, stay safe, stay alive. For more survival tips, tune in for the next video. This is your survival guide signing off.